The California Franchise Tax Board Help with Penalties and Fees page. If you don't agree with the penalty or fee, or if you disagree with a penalty or think there was a mistake, use the options listed on your letter. If you provided supporting documentation and it's not enough to correct the penalties and fees, you can dispute the penalties and fees. To dispute a penalty, you need to make a payment for the full amount and send us a copy of your letter, supporting documents, a claim for refund. If you received an extension to file and received a penalty, including interest, an extension to file only extends your filing due date, not your payment due date. You probably received a penalty and interest for a late payment. You must pay on time, even if you have a filing extension. Visit Extension to File for more information. You received a penalty because you were late. If you filed your income tax return or paid your income taxes after the due date, you received a penalty. To avoid penalties in the future, file or pay by the due date. Visit Due Dates Personal or Due Dates Businesses for more information. You received a letter or notice in the mail from us with penalties and fees. Visit Letters for more information about specific notices. You have reasonable cause. If you have reasonable cause, we may waive penalties. You may file a reasonable cause claim for refund to request that we waive a penalty for reasonable cause. Reasonable cause individual and fiduciary claim for refund, Franchise Tax Board 2917, or reasonable cause business entity claim for refund, Franchise Tax Board 2924. You qualify for one-time penalty abatement. If you qualify for a one-time penalty abatement, we may cancel timeliness penalties. You may file FTB 2918 or call 800-689-4776 to request that we cancel a penalty based on one-time abatement. Contact us about penalties and fees. Use the options listed on your notice for help. If you do not have a notice, contact us for help with your notice. This page was last updated January 8th, 2024.